Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of Pansupa and Education. In this lesson, we will explore about useful strategies for English reading comprehension along with Thai translation in the lesson to help Thai students better understand complex English grammar concepts by providing clear explanations and translations. In addition, this can be useful for the ones who want to learn Thai. Ready to get started? Let's go. Definition of reading strategies. Reading strategies are techniques and methods used to improve reading comprehension, speed, and retention of information. These strategies help readers understand texts more effectively by organizing thoughts, making connections, and identifying key points. To improve your English reading comprehension, you can use the following effective strategies. Here are common useful strategies used for English reading comprehension. The first useful strategy for English reading comprehension is skimming. This is used for reading to find the main idea. You can use this to quickly read through the text to get a general idea. Focus on headings, subheadings, bold words, and the first and last sentences of paragraphs. Example: if you read a news article, skimming helps you understand what it is about before reading details. Scanning is one of useful strategies for English reading comprehension. This is used for finding specific information. You look for keywords, numbers, or names without reading the whole text. This strategy is useful for finding dates, names, definitions, or facts. Example: when reading a schedule, scanning helps you find the time of an event quickly. Predicting or guessing content before reading is one of useful reading strategies in English. You can use titles, pictures, and prior knowledge to guess what the text will be about. This strategy can help you stay focused and ready to understand new information. Example: if a passage is titled "The Future of AI," you can predict it will discuss artificial intelligence advancements. Besides, identifying main ideas and supporting details is also useful for reading English passages. Applying this strategy can help you find the main idea or the most important point of each paragraph. You also identify supporting details that explain or prove the main idea. Example: in a passage about global warming, the main idea might be climate change is affecting the planet, while supporting details could be facts about rising temperatures and melting ice caps. Making inferences or reading between the lines is another useful one. You can understand implied meanings by looking at clues in the text. This strategy helps when the author does not state everything directly. Example: if a story says, "She wiped her tears and walked away," you can infer that she was sad. Another useful strategy in reading English is using context clues to understand new words. This can help you guess the meaning of unknown words by looking at the words around them, which are called context clues. The context clue includes synonyms, antonyms, examples, and explanations. Example: in the lake was tranquil, with no waves or noise. The word tranquil likely means calm because of the clue no waves or noise. Summarizing or retelling the main points in your own words is another useful strategy in English reading comprehension. After reading, you should summarize by writing or saying a short version of the key points. This strategy can help you remember and understand the text better. Example: after reading about a historical event, summarize the key people, dates, and outcomes in a few sentences. Asking and answering questions is one of useful reading strategies in English reading process. You can ask yourself with the questions who, what, when, where, why, how, while reading. These questions can also help you stay engaged and check your understanding. Example: after reading about a science experiment, you might ask, "What was the purpose of this experiment?" Making connections or relating the text to your own knowledge is another strategy that is useful for readers. While reading, you can connect the story or the contents to your experiences, other books, or world events. Example: if you read about a person moving to a new country, you can connect it to a time when you experienced a big change. Another useful reading strategy is visualizing or creating mental pictures. While reading, you can imagine the people, places, and events described in the text. These also helps with memory and deeper understanding. Example: while reading a story about a forest, visualize the tall trees, animals, and sunlight filtering through the leaves. In conclusion, using these reading strategies can help you understand English texts more effectively, whether you are reading articles, textbooks, stories, or academic papers. These strategies help you understand texts more effectively by focusing on key details and making connections. By practicing these techniques, you can increase your reading speed and comprehension, making it easier to tackle complex texts. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Enjoy your days. Goodbye.